Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just kidding. Well, I've made a life-changing decision today. I've decided to change to the from Samsung Galaxy Android to the iPhone, which is usually ISO. Ta-da! Okay guys, this is a unboxing video, so we're gonna see what all comes in an iPhone kit package. Here are some of the features. It's a straight talk phone. Mm. And this look pretty interesting, so wanna go ahead and unbox it and see all what we get in there. See some of the features. Okay, I'm really excited. It's my first iPhone. Um, okay, let's get into it. Okay, so how do you open this thing? That's the SIM card comes attached to the box, so that's not really a part of the package. And to make a little incision right there. And you slide off the case, the top like this. And it says designed by Apple in California. And that's the first thing you see when you open the box. And here's a card. And this is shows you button placement. Just like the button features, all the button it has. And here is the key to open the SIM slot. And we have some Apple decal stickers. We'll put that to the side. Here's the actual phone, and it's a very nice, slick. It's nice. What's it? Pearl black. We get the charging cube, the headset, and then this just comes with the headset. I was looking for the headset jack. An iPhone no longer carry like a regular earphone jack, so the earphone jack is the same as the charging port. And there's the charger. That's basically it though. As I said, there's nothing more. Uh, but that's still a lot compared to what you get with other brands. Still looking for the jack. But there you have it though. Earphone charger, key opening slot. So let's try and turn it on and see what we get. And then the beautiful Apple logo comes on. I guess it's telling us hello in all different language. And that's just beautiful. Bonjour. Let me say oh. and select English. Um, then it prompts you to set up. But we know that it works and all. We're going to set it up off screen. So like and subscribe. Thanks.